Have you ever stood somewhere so beautiful that it just takes your breath away? That's exactly what the Blue Ridge Mountains in North Carolina do to you. These mountains aren't just pretty scenery, they're the star of the show. Stretching out as far as the eye can see, each peak and ridge rolling gently into the next, the landscape continues all the way to the horizon. I remember feeling like I was on top of the world when I took this photo. With my camera in hand, I stood at this lookout point completely mesmerized. The Blue Ridge Mountains lay out in front of me, their deep, rolling blue waves fading off into the distance. It was like trying to capture the soul of the mountains in a single frame. The layers of ridges, each one a slightly different shade of blue, made the landscape look like a painting. The sun was shining, giving the whole scene a soft, warm glow. The mountains had a calm and quiet energy as if they were breathing slowly, urging you to slow down too. I could hear the wind rustling through the trees, the only sound in the air, and it was so peaceful. Meanwhile, the thick green forests blanketed the hills, creating a beautiful contrast with the softer blues of the distant peaks. I couldn't help but think of all the people who have wandered these trails and lived in these mountains. What kind of stories do these ancient Blue Ridge Mountains hold? They're more than just a part of the North Carolina landscape. They're like living, breathing beings. When I finally snapped the picture, I felt like I was taking a piece of the mountain spirit with me. Even though the photo would stay still, I knew the Blue Ridge would keep on moving, always full of life.